Hello guys, so another problem here. So 2t divided by 3 equals 8. So we're going to find t. So we rewrite this 2t divided by 3 as 2t divided by 3 equals 8. Right? Okay, so paano natin tatanggalin si 3 here? So magmo-multiply tayo both side ng 3. Right? So, para ma-cancel yung 3. So, 2t is equals to 24. 8 times 3 is 24. So, to remove here the t, to remove 2 from t, that is divided by 2, both side, divide tayo. So, cancel. T is equals to 12. Answer is 12. Alright? So, t is equals to 12. Thank you so much!